Welcome back to the Overlander. In this video I'm going to be making the best camp breakfast I think there is. It's all made in one pan, dead easy to make, and it's really good. It's a Scandinavian dish, which is one of those dishes that you just make with kind of leftovers, whatever you have lying around. But the key ingredients for me are tatties, onion, beetroot, some kind of meat. Now I was going to make this video on the west coast of Scotland because it kind of looks a little bit like Norway, and I had a bit of a technical issue with the camera, so here I am back on the east coast and I ate the good sausages. So these are just some supermarket sausages, but you can use any kind of meat you like. You can use like bacon lardons. If you can get a big chunk of bacon that you can chop up yourself, that's a lot better, because then you can cut the chunks of bacon to the same size as the vegetables. But hey ho, sausages will pretty good, they'll do. Right, I'm going to get some stuff peeled. So per person I'm using one potato, one beetroot if it's a decent size, one onion, and some meat, however much you want. You can use all kinds of meat for this. Leftover meats from another meal, sausage is good, black pudding even, but yeah, sausage or lardons are the best. Pancetta, chopped up, it's all good. The only other thing I'm going to put in is some herbs. Now you can use thyme, that's the traditional kind of herb to put in this. I've got ajawain seeds, also known as carom, which I think are really nice. You hardly need a lot, just a little pinch, and really good flavour, quite similar to thyme. So I'm going to use some of those, salt and pepper, and a fried egg to put on top at the end. Right, let's get cooking. Best kind of pan to use for this is a nice big heavy cast iron. This one's steel, but it's all good. For fat, I'm using a bit of clarified butter or ghee, but any kind of high temperature sort of fat will do the job. Get that on the heat. You don't want to cook this too quickly, because you've got to allow the potatoes to cook, and they take a bit of time. So nice and slow, low and slow. If it catches a wee bit on the pan, it's not the end of the world, as long as you don't actually let it burn. Just keep moving it and adjust the heat if you can. It's not very easy to adjust the heat on this thing because there's no way of lifting it up and down, but I'll just keep an eye on it. Almost forgot to add the carom seeds. That's all you need with these. A couple of pinches, perfect. It's been on about 10 minutes now, and it's just starting to caramelize some of the onion. It smells fantastic. And, yeah, I'm getting pretty hungry now. That really is the trick with this, just keeping it cooking really slowly. It needs time to get the potatoes cooked through, and if you try and do it too fast, you'll just burn the onions, and yeah, it just won't be as nice. So take your time. If you do want to speed it up, if you're in a hurry, you can put a lid on it and the steam will cook it faster, but you don't get so much of those lovely craggly caramelized sort of flavors on the rest of it. So I would say do it this way, take your time. It's been on about half an hour now and starting to look pretty good. I'm just going to test a potato, see how good they are. Oh, hot. It's almost there. I'm going to add the peas. I'm just putting a few sugar snaps in. You could use frozen peas, green beans, runner beans, just something green. It's just starting to stick to the bottom of the pan, that's quite good, without anything getting too black. Yeah, it's looking pretty good now. Just going to give it a couple more minutes. I think that's about ready now. Gonna dish that up, keep it warm. I'm just going to quickly fry an egg in this pan. I lost a sausage. You pop a lid over your egg, the steam just helps to cook it that little bit quicker. You get a nice runny yolk. Check that out. Oh. Got to have a bit of salt and pepper on an egg. And some better cutlery would be good. Let's give it a shot. The beetroot is so nice. I wouldn't make this without beetroot. I think it's the key ingredient. I can't actually remember if I told you what this was called. The Norwegian and Swedish name for this is petit pan. Sorry, I forgot that pronunciation, horribly wrong. I think the Danes call it biksmad, and there's all different variations of it, just depending on what you've got lying around. But this is kind of how I normally make it, and it's so good. We have this for dinner, evening time, any time of the day. It's a great brunch. It's just really, really nice. And with having a bit of veggies, carbs and stuff, it's a nice change up from a traditional fry up. Give it a shot, see what you think. If you want to have the full recipe, a bit more information about it and full instructions, head over to the Overlander Substack, there's a link in the description below.